I know this is a weird way to make a video involving My Little Pony Month, that this is actually part of the playlist of My Little Pony Month, but the thing is, I'm going to be wrapping up My Little Pony Month with Spring Breakdown, which will be premiering for the next 3 weeks. So, just to let you know, I'm really reacting to this video so people like you can easily see what the special is going to be like when it comes to the cruise being destroyed. Now, for me personally, I only watched a few cruise movies and episodes, mainly from The Sweet Life on Deck, but that's about it. This is actually going to be a really serious video, this is going to be a really serious reaction because this is something that happened in real life. These videos are real. I'm not making this up. These are real. And the fact that the Wayne rooms are going to be in the same situation like they are, I hope that Spring Breakdown will be a very interesting idea for what they can do for Rarity, Applejack, Fluttershy, and Pinkie Pie, who are gonna be the only characters who are gonna stay behind in the human world, since, well, apparently they can't. I know they're not gonna be in Equestria because it will probably go through a lot of questionable ideas of what they're going to do, and it'll probably lead to so much stress into finding, the magic more than fixing the lackey. Anyway, let's begin.
Holy shit! Woo! Jeez!
Yeah, these waves are really
Oh,
dangerous.
here comes one. Whoa, we're underwater! No! That's so weird!
Weird? I mean, it may be cool, but jeez. I mean, I never been on a cruise ship before, and I refuse to be part of it. This stuff is really dangerous. Just look at that. Look at that. It's moving. The waves are so powerful. Wow. Look at that. That is just really insane. And really, really dangerous. I don't know which one is. I don't know which disaster it was. Is it tornado or a cruise destruction or something like a ocean crisis causing the cruise to get wrecked? Because this is probably way worse because you're in the middle of an ocean and not on land. At least on land you can run away from a tornado, but here there's no way out. Whoa, my god. That was actually kind of cool, but not safe. By the way, I didn't actually know that there was an indoor swimming pool in a cruise ship before. I didn't actually notice that.
Shake Your Love by Debbie Gibson.
Man, that wave hitting the window with that far of a distance, that's really powerful. I really feel bad for everyone on the cruise. Oh my god, look at that. The water is entering one of the buildings. That's really dangerous. Imagine that window open, they will probably be doomed. But jeez. The water looked like blue lava just by seeing that image. It looks really weird to see, which probably makes the water really dangerous. Oh my god! Oh. Jeez. Oh my god. The waves are making the boat jump up and down. It's insane. Whoa, oh my god. Holy crap. Just look at this madness. Oh my god. Holy crap, a big wave. Oh man. Just look at that distance in the sea. That is really, really dangerous. Oh my god. Man, the Wayne Booms and their friends are gonna have a really difficult time getting through the Storm King staff in this situation. But I think their situation is much more worse because the storm was the reason that caused the chaos.
Really big waves that are knocking this boat around like crazy right now.
Huh.
This is through my porthole that we're looking at on the fourth deck floor.
Holy crap, the water is rising.
How far down these swells? I'm afraid this camera's not doing it quite the justice it should be. And here we go. We're going to go underneath it again. Oh, nope. Not quite. How high the wave gets above. Those have got to be at least 40-foot waves that we're looking at right now.
Oh boy.
That's amazing.
And
here it comes
dangerous.
in,
Whoa. My god.
and over, but this is amazing.
And dangerous. Obviously. My god.
Holy shit!
I mean, I don't know. I mean, is it the size of the boat that they're on? Like, oh my god. Holy crap. Oh my god. I don't know how big that boat is. I think it's like towards the middle of large and medium. That boat is really... Holy crap. Oh my god, look at all that stuff falling down. Oh my god. Almost everything is going back and forth. Look at that. This is insane. Really, really insane. Are you on the edge of the... Holy crap. Don't do that. Go back in the room when you're in the safe zone. Outside isn't a safe zone. Even if you're getting footage, it's not a good idea. Oh my god. Just look at the distance when there's fog everywhere and you can't see anything. That is dangerous. I think this is way worse because it's probably in the outside. Oh boy. Oh my god. This is really chaotic. Look at the darkness. I mean, if that's what underwater feels like in this situation, I want to stay far away from it. Holy crap. Oh my god. Holy crap. Jeez.
At this time, we would like to inform all our guests that due to the ship's motion, we recommend
stay only in one area.
One area, so 5 o'clock.
We go to the
Oh my god, these waves.
Look at that.
Jeez.
So that we can convey some sort of message as to how good or bad off we are. The waves still look like they're about 35 feet.
I mean, I know waves like these don't happen like all the time, but in whale occasions, there's always whale occasions when you're on a cruise. I think like the occasions that we get whale occasions is cruise situations. Seriously, that's why I feel like every time I see these people and objects completely going all over the place.
boat came alongside of us to toss us a satellite phone on the line. You can Google that. Google Clelia, Clelia, Roman numeral 2.
Nighttime. Oh, this is the first video we see in nighttime. Is it snowing? Because it kind of looks like it's snowing. I see these flakes on the screen. Oh boy, here's that pool again. Oh boy. Oh my god. More water all over the place. And that guy's just looking out the window. Oh, was that guy okay? Okay, this is probably the safe. Oh wait, never mind. I thought this was the safe part because it isn't much more of a disaster storm than I thought. And that's it. That's the video. So to conclude this reaction, like I mentioned, that I only put this in the My Little Pony month because this actually involves the situation of what the Wayne-Brooms are gonna get themselves into in Spring Breakdown since they're on a cruise. And even though we didn't get any trailer whatsoever or any commercials about it, that's probably because we had 2 trailers from the season 9 premiere of My Little Pony also advertising that it's the final season. And besides, I think they should probably also give some trailers and commercials to Spring Breakdown because I think after seeing those 2 trailers, we should probably see more of what to expect from Spring Breakdown. Believe me, even if it's not going to top season 9, obviously, it would still be very interesting to see what they're going to do with the special. I mean, all we ever heard was the release date last month. And we didn't get any commercial or anything about it since. Let's just hope we're still towards the middle of this month, and the special is still 3 weeks away. So I really got a feeling that they're probably just going to save the excitement by showing less and less of what the special is going to show us. As for the video itself, believe me, after watching that video from beginning to end, I refuse to ever go on a cruise ship. Even if it may be a cool concept and really amazing experience, I rather prefer beaches over cruises. But that's just me though. Anyway, I'm Only Fanboy 4 here, and I'll see you next time with more My Little Pony month. And I'm still on the road to Spring Breakdown, considering of how many videos I made about it.